What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Guess what I'm still working on? My Rainbow of KitchenAid artisan stand mixers. Yes, if I don't have enough stand mixers already, I'm working on a full rainbow of colors for the new studio kitchen. There's one that has kind of I've been chasing.
Eluding you.
Yes, but we got it here today. I got it from a KitchenAid Facebook group where they buy, sell, and trade mixers. And I didn't have anything to trade, but I did buy it, right? So today we're going to take a look at it. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook Kitchen. I don't know why, but I came up with this idea that I wanted to get a rainbow of KitchenAid mixers for the studio kitchen. We have some open shelves in the back, and we used to really enjoy switching the colors out and people saying, you know, what color is going to be up there today? Right? So we're going to go back to that again. So I figured I would get a whole bunch of different colors, and I've been basically buying these used, and I am a germaphobe. So I have to find like the best, cleanest looking specimen I can, right?
At an affordable price.
At an affordable price. So it's been a little bit of a journey. I have quite a few different colors. I have the Queen of Hearts. I have the Old Forest Green, which is Empire Green. I have the Purple Plumberry. I have a pink, light pink, and a Raspberry Ice. I got the Tangerine. And I have an Ocean and a Sea Glass. And there was one big color in between those that I was missing, and I got it. There's a KitchenAid buy, sell, trade group on Facebook, and someone had one, and I didn't have anything to trade for it, so there was a color she wanted.
So thank you to the great state of Texas for providing this for us.
And this person, I didn't get her permission to say her name, but she wanted another color, so I paid her the amount that it would cost for her to get the color she wanted, so it was sort of a trade, right? So here it is, and it's not lavender, right? It's another color. If you think about all the mixers I had and what I've said that I wanted next, that's what this is. Okay, let's see what we got here. This came all the way from Texas. All the way on a stagecoach from Texas. I think the person that had this, she's kind of a collector too. Ooh. 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 I told her, I don't know. Oh, yeah. I told her to save on shipping. I don't need the bowl or the attachments because I have that already. Whoa, it's yellow!
Hey.
It's yellow, yellow. Yellow. It is yellow. Hold on just a second. So this is actually an ultra power. It's not an artisan, so we have that. This thing is so dirty. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Are you going to put out a little warning to your audience that if they don't want to hear you going off, they need to close their ears for the next couple seconds?
No. I'll just maintain my maintainage. Yeah, this thing's pretty beat up.
So while Boo Boo is happy to get this color, I think her happiness is tempered by how it wasn't really taken care of.
Well, it's just really dirty. And there's a big, huge scratch on the head of it. There's a big, big scratch on the head of it. I'm probably going to take this one in with the rest of them and have it torn down, because I can see that
Is there grease coming out of it, or what?
there's no grease coming out of it, but this here is pretty, like there's a lot of caked on food in here. So this has got to be taken apart.
Whoa.
This whole planetary, and it needs a new thing here, because
Needs a new what?
this thing right here is really crusted in food.
So, okay, I get it needs a new ring.
No, I think if this thing is just taken apart and maybe a new post put on
Are
here.
you saying the shaft?
I'm saying this thing right here. I don't know what this piece is, but it's so caked in food. So, I don't know what to say. I think one key in mixer ownership is to keep these babies clean, right?
When you're done splattering cake mix everywhere,
You gotta clean it, because
wipe it with a damp cloth.
it just compounds.
Yeah.
It really compounds. This whole planetary needs to be taken out, apart, and cleaned. Yeah. I know I'm a germaphobe. It's just not. And it gets like this. If you use it a lot, you know, if you don't really like deep clean, if you use it, like some people are using their mixer every day, and if you don't wipe it or you don't deep clean it once a week, like really scrub into these areas, it gets really caked up. I definitely need this mixer head to take it off of here and this planetary cleaned out, because it's pretty easy to do. It's just, if you don't keep on top of it, it just crusts up. Like this right here, that's got to come apart, because it's completely...
Well, you know this is old.
Huh? This isn't a super old mixer.
I mean, it's got the spring on it.
It has a spring.
Yeah.
I was under the assumption that it was a artisan, but it's an ultra power. So when I have a service, I'm going to have them take this off, take the planetary down and clean it, and possibly replace that post-looking thing. It's looking better already. The only issue is there's like a big scratch right here, and I don't know if that's goo on it, like if Goo Be Gone can get that off, or what. But yeah, this thing is definitely, I mean, just a basic wipe job helped it out a lot, but it's still got in the cracks and crevices. It's not ready for prime time. Okay, so I threw a bowl on here from a 5. We'll see. sounds okay? It's got a little rattly down at the...
Yeah.
It's got something going on. Sounds okay. So what I'm going to do is have Captain Kirk tear this thing down, re-grease it, clean it all out, take the planetary off, clean all that out. If it needs a new planetary post, I'll have to order one of those. It needs it needs some maintenance. So we're going to get that done. I have like 5 mixers to send to him. So we have another member of the Amy Learns to Cook Rainbow family. We have I think it's Majestic Yellow. Something like that. I'll have to look. I've never seen that in an Ultra Power though. When I saw the yellow, I thought it was an Artisan.
So they don't have like a Tweety Bird bright yellow?
I didn't know they had that in the 4.5. It's a 3-point Ultra Power. I don't know what this is. To me, Ultra Power sounds like a 4.5.
Mm-hmm.
It's 300 watts, which sounds like a 4.5, because usually the older Artisans are 325. So I think this is a 4.5, and we're going to do some maintenance on it. So I hope you have a great Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed looking at this new mixer. One of the problems with getting used mixer is, to me, I always look for something that's really super clean. And when you order like mail order or something like that, you can't see that. Sometimes even when you're on Facebook Marketplace, you show up to somebody and they're like, oh, here's the mixer. And it's like in a box and you don't know what you're getting. But if you have somebody that can work on them, they charge me like $75 to do a complete re-grease. I don't know if I have to buy that new planetary part. I don't know how much it's going to cost me, but I'm going to do that. It's going to get a complete clean down. So the next time you see it, it'll be back shiny new. So have a great Wednesday. I hope you have a great day.